All right, guys. So Minnie is gonna unbox this. What's that?
Some piece of paper.
Okay, so I was contacted by Kimberly, and she asked me to review this pillow. Um, so it arrived today. So this is just a rough video um, unboxing the pillow. It came nicely wrapped up. It's from Sidney Sleep. Can you turn the box for me? It's from Sidney Sleep, adjustable memory foam pillow, and I'm gonna unbox it and then use it, come back and let y'all know how it's worked for me. Okay guys, so here is the Sidney Sleep pillow. It's an adjustable memory foam pillow. It comes in this box, and first of all, I haven't been paid. I'm not being paid to do this video or the review. I got an email from Kimberly, and she pretty much introduced herself and said she'd like to offer me the chance to try this pillow because she watched my Elvia's neck pillow review that I bought from Amazon some time ago. And I have since stopped using that pillow. I think over time, years of using it, it got probably worn out or something. But I have not bought another one because I tried another one after that and it seemed to be okay, but then I was still having neck pain. So I was like, okay. So to be honest with you, some nights I don't use a pillow because my old one is gone, and I just haven't been using a pillow because sometimes I wake up in more pain. So I'm just like, okay. All right. So Sidney Sleep, it says adjusting your pillow to work with your mattress. Our mattresses play an important role on how we adjust our pillows. So here it says softer mattresses. For soft mattresses, we recommend removing some filling from your pillow to accommodate for when you sink into your comfortable soft mattress. You want your pillow in sync with your mattress. If your pillow is too high, it can cause strain on your neck and shoulders, encouraging a less than comfortable sleep experience. All right. It also gives you detail for a firm mattress, a medium mattress, and a firm mattress. Now, it says, remember, not all sleep is created equal, and the above suggestions are based on expert opinions to achieve a restful, painless night's sleep. So, I sleep on one of those gel memory foam things that, conforms to your body. And I think I bought that bed, 7 years ago? Almost 8 years ago from Amazon. Someone had told me about the bed and I bought it, and I've changed the frame a few times, but the mattress I love and I keep using it. So it says the most important thing is to find a comfortable position for your pillow. Sleep and personal comfort are unique, which is why your Sidney Sleep pillow is 100% adjustable. I like that it says that it's adjustable because some of these pillows I've tried, you can't adjust squat. I have tried adjustable pillows from Amazon in the past, and even with adjustments, they weren't comfortable. So it says, if you need help fine-tuning your pillow for better sleep, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. And it tells you how to prepare your new pillow. 24 hours, unroll your pillow from the packing and let it expand fully. While you wait, remove the outer cover and wash it with your favorite scented fabric or no scented fabric. So, thing. I'm not, if my thing is scented, no, I don't want to smell. So we just wash it, okay? It says pop your pillow into the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes on low heat. This step helps to fluff it up and ensure that the memory foam is evenly distributed around the pillow. And now it's time to try it out. So, of course, they reiterate the point that it's 100% adjustable. So it tells you also caring for your pillow, keep it soft and plush for years to come. It says fluff your pillow daily when making your bed. Once every couple of weeks, you can put your pillow in the dryer on low heat for 30 minutes to help distribute the foam evenly. No dryer, no problem. Open the inner lining, remove the filling into a clean box or large bucket. Do not wet the foam. Again, do not wet the foam. Separate it by hand and refill. Okay? And it says, remember, memory foam is just a pretty name. It actually has a memory, so don't forget to show your pillow some love from time to time. Trust us, your neck and shoulders will thank you later. It may seem like a bit of work, but hey, anything for a painless night's sleep, right? Okay, so I appreciate them including this in the pillow when it's shipped, because a lot of times we buy pillows and they just say open, let it fluff up, and you go to work. You just go to sleep with it. That's it. This gives you detailed information on how to care for your pillow and how to adjust your pillow and keep it, in maximum shape for you to use. And again, important to know if you're sleeping on soft mattress, medium, or firm. So we're going to put that there because I'm going to hold on to this. This is a queen size pillow, and it says queen size curved pillow in white. Wouldn't have it any other way. Ooh. And there are other things in here. So now the box is empty. There that goes. Oh, what is this? It's a bag. It says fill me with your excess foam. Nice, nicey. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, okay. Okay, Sidney Sleep. So fill me with your excess foam. Reminds me of getting when you get a new Dooney bag, a leather bag, and they give you this. All right. So here it comes with, like your pillow firmer, add me in for extra loft. So for those of you who love a firm pillow, I don't. You would use this and add it to get extra firmness. Oh, feel the breeze come out of there. Nice. All right, I'm going to cut this bad boy open. Being careful not to cut my pillow. You know what? I don't have to cut it, do I? I thought it was too... May I have a scissor, please? Nope, I don't need a scissors. So, yes, and yes. My fingers are doing the job for me. Would you look at that? Listen, this sleep turban on my head feels so comfortable. I hope it works with this pillow. All right. Oh, she's pretty big for a queen. What? She's pretty big. Wow. Look at that. She's a big girl. Ooh. Okay. I just spotted the scissors. Huh? Okay, Colette. Hannah, can you come give me scissors, please? I'm looking at the pillow, but the scissor, but it's across there. Yeah. Y'all know with me anything goes, right? Thank you. Now I want to cut from this end. See, that thing is nicely vacuum sealed. Woohoo. Ah, did you hear that? I know y'all didn't hear that. And then this way, so I don't damage my pillow. I would hate for that to happen. Oh, she is really big. I was not expecting her to be this big. Wow. And excuse the rustling noises, but it is what it is. It is what it is. When you're unboxing, unpacking stuff, that is expected. Oh, the cover feels nice, y'all. The cover feels very nice. All right, so here's, you have the zipper to open up. Wow. I need 4 hands for this. Oh, look. I don't want to ruin this. Here we go. Nice and easy. Okay. So this is the outer cover. I'm going to go ahead and take the outer cover off of her. And look. Oh, wow. So that's the cover. Huh. So I guess I'm going to have to cut this off to use it because this would bother me. It's just a me thing. And this just tells you made for total sleep solutions. Sidney Sleep says right here. But this is cool. I think it would probably take a king size pillowcase because I'm kind of weird. I will still put a pillowcase on this. I can't sleep with it just like this because especially daytime napping, I definitely will put a pillowcase on the cover itself. I know some people just like to just use it just like that. They wash this and they use it. Yeah, nothing wrong with washing it. I'm supposed to wash this, but I like having a pillowcase on there. So saying that to say this, you would need quite easily a king size pillowcase for this because yeah, or if you find a really big queen size one, I guess it would work, but this is just the case. All right, so I'm gonna lay her over here and this is the pillow. So you can see her filling. And before I take anything out, I'm gonna let her breathe so she can fluff up. And then I will take out some of the filling and let her adjust. This is already peeking out a little bit. Like she's saying, hey, I'm overstuffed. So that's what the filling looks like. Like so. They're cutting small pieces, y'all. So, yeah. But right now, she feels nice and soft. She's not too firm. She's not too hard. But for me, I will definitely have to make her a little bit thinner for her to be softer. But like I said, I'm going to let her just fluff up for 24 hours and then adjust her. And then I will use her. I am going to use her for a good maybe month or so before I do the review, because sometimes I find when you get a new pillow in the first 4 weeks, they seem okay. But going into 6 weeks later, then you start having some issues and you're like, wait, I thought this was the one. Yeah, because I've spent up to $100 and something on one pillow and end up not being happy with it. So that being said, I am going to follow their instructions, leave her out for 24 hours and let her get her shape and fluff up in her entirety. And then I will adjust her and then use her. And once I am ready to do the review, I will do the review video and I will make sure that I let you guys know, go watch the unboxing video. So I'm going to post the unboxing video for you guys tomorrow so that you guys see what she looks like when she arrived. And look, she's starting to get big already. And she's a handful. She's a handful. All right, so I'm going to let her hang out. No one will bother her. The kitty cat is not in the house, so she can't get cat hair or anything on there. I'm allergic to the new cat that was in the house, so she's outside, unfortunately. But she's still my baby girl. Yeah, so it'll be unbothered right there on the sofa. So I'm just going to let it hang out and do its thing. So again, I'm not being sponsored. I'm not being paid, but I'm partnered with Sidney Sleep to review this pillow, and I will come back with a review in some weeks' time. Give me about 4 to 6 weeks for a proper review, because I want to make sure that I do it justice and I don't short fuse anybody. I want to make sure that I give it my complete, and y'all know me, I'm going to say it like it is. I'm going to give it my complete and honest review as it is expected. And there it is. So thank you, Kimberly, for reaching out to me. I appreciate the contact. And I will let you know when the review video is ready. But this is the unboxing video, and I wanted to do the unboxing and share it with you guys and let you see, so I don't just post a video and then you're like, wait, what happened? Okay. All right. So enough love, and thanks again for the opportunity to review the Sidney Sleep pillow on my time, and I will let you all know when I'm ready. Once the official review video is ready, you may come back and watch. And thank you. All right. Enough love, and see you soon. Bye.